Hello everyone, welcome back again for another video of Platform Developer 1 certification series. Let's continue. Oh, I think it's stuck. Yeah. So please do support, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for new video notification. It keeps me motivated to make more videos and help you guys and also help myself. So thank you for supporting so far. So the first question in this new video is, which three declarative fields are correctly mapped to the two variable types in Apex? Choose three. So the correct answer is number maps to decimal, correct. Text area maps to list of types, string, no. Number maps to integer, no. I think checkbox maps to boolean, correct. And data maps to datetime, yes. The correct answer is A, D, E. Next one, which set rollup types are available when creating the rollup summary fields? Means which are the functions which are supported while doing the rollup on the master detail relationship. So the correct answer is, I think it's a simple one, count, sum, min, max. And yes, the correct answer is B. And when should an apex trigger be required instead of a process builder? So the A, when an action needs to be taken on a delete or undelete or before DML operation, yes. I think the B, C, D, which all, when multiple records related needs to be created, that you can do it in process builder itself. Apex trigger is not required, and even the record needs to be created when a record needs to be created or when post needs to be created. All these are like post insert operations. So when you want to do anything which is needs to be done before any DML operation, or you need to do a delete or undelete, then you need an apex trigger. Yes, the correct answer is A. How should a developer avoid hitting the corner limits in the test method? I think this is a simple question. I think first a test load and test visible and is test C all data true. It's all not, they are not ready to go limits, but C test dot start test to reset the governor limits, because every time when you use the start test dot start test and do some DML operation within this start test and stop test, that will be a new set of the governor limits will be applying to that. So the correct answer is C. An org has a single account named no contact that has no related contacts. Given the query list account, select ID name from the contacts and from account where name is equal to no contacts, and what is the result of running this attack? So the query exception is thrown. No, I don't think so, because the query is fine. There is no exception seems to be in the query. Accounts of 0.contacts is invalid apex. No, it's very much valid apex. And account of 0 is null. No account is there is only one account as mentioned in the question. And account.0.contacts is an empty list. This is the more relevant statement because there is an account but there is no contact. So this account of 0.contact is an empty list is the right answer. What is the correct invocation to push the code to the app sushi prod from the command line? So this the correct answer would be this jit push Heroku master app sushi prod. So normally we don't use it much, but yeah, this is part of the question. A developer encounters apex heap limit error in a trigger. Which two methods should developer use to avoid this error? So remove or set collections to null after use. No, I don't think so. Query and store fields from the related object and the collection when updating the related object. No, again this heap limit error occurs with when a runtime you are using the more memory in a collection, either a list or a map. So C, correct answer would be I think C and D, because use transient keyword when declaring the variables, because it only exists for a duration of the page request. So that's when this will be more relevant to this question. And D, use SQL for loops instead of assigning the large queries result to a single collection and looping through the collection. So if you have large set of results coming out of the SQL query and you are assigning it to a list or a map and use that in a loop, so that's where there is chances of getting the heap limit error. So instead of that, directly use the SQL query in the loops, like for for on any object and select use the SQL query within the first statement of the for loop, so that would avoid the heap limiter. And the correct answer is C and D. A developer is asked to set a picklist field to monitor on any new leads owned by a subset of the user. How should the developer implement this? Create a before insert lead trigger, create a lead workflow rule update field, create after insert lead trigger, and create lead formula field. Formula field, I don't think you can do it. You can only do a formula field, sorry. So you can do it, but the more relevant answer for this would be B. Create a lead workflow rule update. It's pretty simple. You just select the rule. Select the rule which is like create a user group if any new lead created owned by this set of user, like you can create a group and then any user is owning that lead, you can update the picklist field to monitor. That would be more simplest approach. Yes, the correct answer is B. A developer wants to override a button using the visual force on an object, and what is the requirement? So if you have to override a button using visual force on an object, you have to first set the first set standard controller attribute on that object. That is controller is nothing but again an Apex class. So if you want to override any button, you have to have a standard controller attribute. That markup needs to be present in that controller to override that button. So the correct answer is D. So that's all for this video. Thank you, and do follow this channel for more such videos. I'll be posting more videos, even on the certification related or maintenance of the certification related. So thank you for watching till now. Have a good day. Look out for a new video shortly. Thank you. Bye bye.